Good morning. Friday 3 from my porch. 3 things. Metal prices are going up. Drywall prices are going up. And insulation is hard to get. Plan. You heard location. Well, plan, please. Because if you need material in October, you should get your list now. If you need material next week, it might be too late. So please plan for metal studs, because if we don't have them, you might be waiting until October. Plan for insulation, because if we don't have it, you might be waiting until November. That's all I can ask of you. Please plan. 3 things. Plan.